Let's take a look outside and see what's happening. Anyone out there going for an afternoon jog, perhaps after your work day? You may want to wait a couple hours. It's still hot and it's still humid. Along the coast, looks like a nice place to be. And check out our North Park view. This is thanks to the SDCCU.com tower camera. Gorgeous skies. We do have a little bit of a haze right along the coastline. There was a marine layer earlier today, and it seems to just be wanting to linger and hang out with us. Let's take a look at our temperatures right now for San Diego. Temperatures are the warmest time, 67 degrees in Point Loma, humidity 84%. West winds at 9 miles per hour. So along the coast, we're feeling a slight breeze. Little windier as you move up eastward and up to those higher elevations. 80 degrees for you in La Mesa, humidity 54%, and the winds there also 9 miles per hour. And looking at Ramona right now, 91 degrees, humidity 32% with west winds at 9, and those wind gusts could pick up a little bit, which is a concern because, of course, we do have that heat advisory. So when those inland temperatures are in the 90s, triple digits, and the winds blowing, that's always a concern for firefighters out there. Temperatures are going to fall at least 5 degrees by Thursday for a lot of our counties. So that is good news. It's going to be a nice relief. We just got to get through one more day of it. And here's what's happening. We have this whole area across the west, southwest of this monsoonal moisture. And this is a wide range that it's impacting, all because of what happens across the Four Corners states with that heavy high pressure that just builds and builds. And along the coastline here, the Pacific Northwest, you're seeing a little bit of a low. And we're going to watch what's happening out there in the Gulf of Alaska and moving down south, because that's going to be a big reason why our temperatures are going to drop. Look at our water vapor. We do see a little bit of that precip up in the atmosphere, and that's why we are feeling a little sticky out there. Right along the coastline, though, nice and dry. And what we're basically going to see is a chance at thunderstorms, and that's what that's showing there with the water vapor imagery. But a lot of our area, especially along the coast, places like El Cajon, La Mesa, not really going to feel it. Most of it's staying well to the north of our county. In fact, tomorrow we might get a little bit more of this. Palm Springs, seeing some of that thunderstorm stuff going on, and so they could get some hail, some heavy rain, just spotty rain though as it does come down. Our fog forecast, we are going to get some fog tonight. It's going to start right around 8, 9 o'clock, and look at how it builds. By 10 o'clock tonight, it's going to be pretty thick out there. Visibility may be pretty low if you're driving home late at night, or especially early in the morning for you early birds have to head to work. Maybe a little bit gray right along the Interstate 5, 805. Here's our jet stream. This is going to show you when we're going to finally get that cool down. So for the next day, it's still high. That jet stream's peaking. But then by Thursday, you see it here, that jet stream is going to actually drop a little bit, and that's going to move that high pressure further east. It's actually going to calm it down. It's going to make it smaller, and that's going to bring our temperatures down 5 to 6, 7 degrees in some areas. Surf feeling pretty good. The water feels just right. Look at that, 69 to 71 degrees. A moderate risk of rip currents, 3 to 4 foot swells. And here's that 7-day forecast. So tomorrow, 76 along the coast, feeling really good. 91 inland, still another hot one for the inland areas. And then by Thursday, we'll get a good drop. Look at the inland temperatures from 91 to 87, then dropping way down by Friday to the 70s. Thankfully, Saturday, Sunday along the coast, temperatures are going to be pretty cool, actually. 69 degrees for that weekend, 4th of July weekend. A lot of people coming to town. It's going to be just right. We might get some clouds for your 4th of July, but then later in the afternoon, in time for those fireworks, it should be clearing. Laura,